کوکر صاحب. لیکن ابھی مجھے جانا ہے علامہ اقبال میڈیکل یونیورسٹی کا 15واں کانوکیشن جاری ہے, آپ کو براہ راست لیے چلیں گے.
I think reversal of roles now. Where the chief guest will present Professor Dr. Mahmood Shaukat a shield for his contribution towards academic excellence. Now I request the chief guest to present the shield to Professor Arif Mahmood Siddiqui, who is our new Vice Principal, Allama Iqbal Medical College. To acknowledge tireless efforts of Professor Zaid Niaz, who organized this 15th convocation, I now request our chief guest to present him with the shield. Since I am the only one left, so I'll present myself.
Now to acknowledge the MCANA because they awarded medals and certificates, now I'll request Mr. Muhammad Aslam Khan, President Pakistani American Iqbalian Welfare Society Lahore and President MCANA Pakistan chapter, to please come on the stage and to present shield to Professor Dr. Mahmood Shaukat, Principal Allama Iqbal Medical College on behalf of MCANA.
کو بھی شیلڈ مل رہی ہے ان کی کدھر رکھی وہ آ رہی ہے
شیلڈ. Now I request Principal Professor Mahmood Shaukat to present the shield to Mr. Muhammad Aslam, the President of Pakistani American Iqbalian Society and MCANA Lahore chapter.
Now I request thank you very much. Our chief guest and principal to please have a seat. We are really grateful and honored that our worthy chief guest today, Major General retired Professor Muhammad Aslam, who has always graced our convocations. I think this is his 4th convocation that he has always obliged us and always graced these dignified occasions. And we are very happy to have him as a chief guest. He's always a guest of honor in our heart, and he has strived for all his tenure to improve the working and image of University of Health Sciences. And it is my proud privilege to call upon him and request him to come to the dais and present his address of the chief guest. Major General Professor Muhammad Aslam.
Thank you, sir, for the words for which I feel inflated. In fact, because Iqbal, حق تو یوں ہے کہ حق ادا نہ ہوا. May I request the fresh graduates? This is called tussle. Yeah, please one khundra. So may I request the graduates to put the tussle on their right side now. This is the honor that while graduating, the tussle is on the left side, and this is an honor bestowed upon graduation, that thereafter it is on the right side. So that is a signal and of congratulation to join the club of educators. Our Principal Allama Iqbal Medical College, Professor Mahmood Shaukat, newly appointed Vice Principal, and Professor Zahid Diaz, Organizing Secretary, elegant members of the faculty, parents, guardians, graduates, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, convocation is culmination of all the academic accomplishments for the last 5 years, 4 years, 2 years, 1 year, 7 years, whatever the course of study may be. So, and then it is an occasion to cherish the accomplishment. And it is an occasion to undo the tiredness with the fruits of labor. So obviously the parents who through their kith and kin and through hard days, financially or otherwise, might have felt for the last 5 years to forget it, and for the students to forget their tiredness for the last 5 years, because that has culminated them to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree. As Principal Mahmood Shaukat Saab was narrating a couple of moments ago, putting these robes puts us to lot many responsibilities and lot many happinesses as well. Not many happinesses as well. So cherish the accomplishment today. Pray to God Almighty. Care your parents and guardians, and respect your teachers and the faculty. Through them, through your biological parents and through your spiritual parents, you have been able to celebrate the day of today. Without, it is not your tear, toil, sweat and blood, but in fact, it is through their spirit as well that you have been able to witness the day of convocation. Allama Iqbal Medical College, as you know, is...
जी नाज़रीन, अल्लामा इकबाल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी का 15वां कॉन्वोकेशन आप बराह रास्त मुलाहिज़ा कर रहे थे.
Like of 2016 is still in the process, like that result, that examination has practical and clinical examination has yet to be taken. For these exuberant positions and result, it is an award given to each angle of the triangle, that is the parents, teachers and the student. Like if somebody asks, do you have a good home? Answer is yes. Do you have a good school? If the answer is yes, the product prediction is Allah ko manzoor ho, basharte ke, the product will be good. Like, so this, in fact, all this 6 years of results, they are attributed and their accomplishment to each angle of the triangle of the parents, of the faculty, our teachers, and the students. Now, with these words, एक बात याद रखें, मुझे डॉक्टरों से थोड़ी सी एक हमेशा इन डॉक्टर से किसी एक से नहीं, इन जनरल कम्युनिटी से एक शिकायत रही है हमेशा. शिकायत अंदर से रही है. आपको Saraiki में my mother language is Saraiki, so I will utter you a word of Saraiki. कि रोमने खावना डॉक्टर अक्सर रोमने खावना नेमत भी दे दोगे तो फिर भी रोते रहेंगे अक्सर, not all of them. हर वक्त शिकायतें, हर वक्त रोना धोना, हर वक्त रोना पीटना. खुदा के लिए अभी से your young people graduating, entering into your pressure, try to be a happy person. किसी ने खुशी का, अंग्रेज ने आज तक कोई टीका इजाद नहीं किया कि हैप्पीनेस का टीका लगाएं और आप मैं उड़ी उड़ी जमा बन जाए. ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. You have to nurture it from inside. जितनी जितनी शिकायतें करेंगे ये भी अल्लाह के नजदीक नाशुक्री में शुमार. उसने हमें इंसान बनाया, मुसलमान बनाया, तबीब बनाया. उसके बाद अगर हम शिकायत करें तो हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि वो शिकायत इनफैक्ट हमारी अपनी है. We have to think for improvisation. We have to think for solution or resolutions. तो जिंदगी में अगर आप खुश ना हुए तो मरीज को क्या खुश करोगे? अगर आप ही रोने धोने में लगे रहे, हर वक्त शिकायतों में लगे रहे, तो मरीज कहां से खुश करेंगे? सो आप खुद खुश रखने की कोशिश करें. छोटी छोटी चीजों में खुशियां तलाश करें. अल्लाह की नेमतें देखें. अल्लाह ताला ने बहुत नेमतें दी हैं. You are better than billions of creatures and you are better than billions of even human beings as a creature on God's earth. कितने लोग इस रूए अर्ज के ऊपर, कितने परसेंट लोग डॉक्टर बनते होंगे? इस पूरा अर्ज के ऊपर कितने परसेंट लोग डॉक्टर बनते होंगे? क्या आपने उस ख्वाब का पर लगा था कि गॉड हैज चोजन यू टू बी अ डॉक्टर? जो काम करें दिल से करें, खुशी से करें, रोने खावने ना बनो. लाइक be a happy man, not a good doctor, but I want to see you a good, happy doctor. If you are happy, the patient will be happy. If you are happy, the society, community, and mankind will be happy. खुश रहो और खुशियां फैलाओ. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. I assure you कि जो कमी पोजीशंस में है अल्लामा इकबाल की, वो एक बेहतर इंसान और एक बेहतर तबीब बनाने में इंशाल्लाह आप हमें किसी और मेडिकल कॉलेज से कम नहीं समझेंगे. We have provided them with good role models और इंशाल्लाह हमें उम्मीद है कि फ्यूचर में ना सिर्फ ये लायक बल्कि एक अच्छे डॉक्टर, एक अच्छे इंसान इंशाल्लाह साबित होंगे. Now I request
जी नाज़रीन, अल्लामा इकबाल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी का 15वां कॉन्वोकेशन आप बराह रास्त मुलाहिज़ा कर रहे थे.